Today we'll talk about something for matrix equation and how we can solve the matrix equation. Okay, did you remember in the previous week we said that we have three forms for linear algebra? First of all is equation. Second one is, we said that vectors I give to you in previous week. And today we are going to talk about how we can use matrix. Also, I introduced you in the matrix in the previous week, if you remember. Today we'll confirm this idea about matrix and how we can use matrix in linear algebra. Just a minute, I want to prepare my pen to start our lecture directly with you. Yes. As possible as will be ready now. It's working? Okay. Good. Let's start now talk about this matrix and how we can use this matrix. Again, matrix in details, we'll talk about matrix in detail later in the next chapter. So wait me for next chapter about matrix. But how we can use this matrix in linear algebra. Quick revision. In the previous week, we said that we have equation. I will open the pointer. It. One. Yes, here we are. In previous week, we said that we have either equation like for example E1 x1 plus A2 x2 equal P1, A3 x1 positive A4 x2 equal B2. And we said we have also vector. So for example, I have x1, A1, A3, positive x2, A2, A4 equal P1, P2. Today as we talk about matrix. Matrix we write in that form AX equal P. A here is a matrix. So what we have inside this matrix, we have A. We have what we can say it's coefficient for this matrix. It's A1, A2, A3, A4 multiply X1, X2 equal P1, B2. So see from this one, I can convert from this to this, from this to this, from this to this, from this to this, and from this also to this, from this to this. So these are the three forms that we we have now. We've completed studied for this one. First one, equation, vector, and matrix. Any question about this? Is easy for you? Is it easy for you? Yeah. Any information about this? Okay. Let's continue. Okay, this is data. We talk about this one. Yeah. We have this formula for equations x1 plus 2x2 minus x3 equal 4 minus 5x2 plus 3x3 equal 1. And he asked me write as a vector. So this is as a vector. X, then the vector 1, 0, 2 minus 5, 1 minus 1, 3, and 4 is 1. Now, if I want to write as a matrix, okay, here let's start to solve this as a matrix. It's by the wrong. We have like this 1, 0, 2 minus 5 minus 1, 3 dot x1 2 x3 equal 4 1. Now this is the matrix form. Now question is in exam. In exam I have two ways of questions. Either write in a form or solve. Solve, that's mean find x1, x2, x3, so on values. So either we have right, we just write a form or solve. So let's see that these topics here in details. Okay, this is about existence of a solution. Existence of solution, that's mean for each x we have either solution and linear combination. If we have a solution, that's mean this period should be linear combination for this one. I don't need this in exam. The theorem just explanation about what's the meaning of linear combination and solution. That's when we have solution for this one. How we can solve this one? Here in this example, he asked me compute AX. Okay. Compute, that's mean find values. For x1, x2, x3. How we can compute or solve or linear combination. We have to make one first these steps. For those, we have to make that one augmented matrix. Solve it. Right? Solve. Find values. For find values or for solve it, we have either we have solution and either one or many, or we don't have. Solution. So in exam, we finished, almost finished. It's easy. In exam, for matrix form again, either you have to convert from 4 to 4, as I told you before, or solve, compute, check if it's linear combination. That's mean we have to write augmented matrix, solve it. So for solve it, either we have solution, one solution, many solution, no solution. And if you have one solution or many solution, you have to give me the value and check the result. So see here in this example, and we have A, we have X. So I convert it to the matrix. See, this is matrix. And after that, I start to calculate augmented matrix based on this one. That is, here in your book, we have many explanation about multiply. Keep this later because we will go to this one later in chapter number 2 about how we can properties of matrix and how we can use this one. Okay, if we go to our book, chapter number 1, matrix form, here backward, see the questions. Okay. Exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are cancelled. Leave this one later. Now I start with 7. In exercise 7, you ask me, write the matrix as a vector. Just write a matrix as a vector. Should I solve? No. Just write a matrix as a vector, as I explained you before. So he has a vector. You have to write the matrix. If I have a matrix, I have to write as a vector. Now, in the exercise 9, 10, write the system first as a vector equation and then as a matrix. So here we have double question. I have equations I have to write as a vector, and I have to write as a matrix. I guess it's easy. Any question for this? Is it hard? Is it hard? No, I got easy. Yeah, I made easy for you because I want to help you to pass this course in easy way. Now, in exercise 11 to write the augmented matrix, then solve system and write the solution as a vector. Here we have many questions, not one question. Many questions, not I need this 11, 12. After 12, let's cancel. Just I need from you question number 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. And now let's take this question, start to solve together. Yes, this one. Copy. This is, I guess, the full question. Yes, painter. Here, yeah. Now this question, I will write augmented matrix. So again is 1, is 2, 4, minus 2, 0, 1, 5, 5, minus 2, minus 4, minus 3, 9. Now I want to solve this one. So I have 0 here. I need this minus 2. This is, okay, I'm working with R3. It is R3 positive 2R1, correct? Yeah, help me, excuse me, 1, 2, 4, minus 2, it is 0, 1, 5, 5. Now minus with my 2 is 2, minus 2, 0, second row, it's 0, 1, 5. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, okay, it's correct now? 2, 2, correct? Now, 2 minus 2 with 2, it is 0. 2 with 2, it's 4. With minus 4, it's 0. Now we have 2 with 4, it is 8. 8. 8 minus, it's 5. Now 2 with minus 2, it's minus 4. With 9 equal 5. Correct? Is it correct? Guys, it's correct. From here, we can find x3. x3 equal 1. From here, you can find x2. So let's solve here if I want. It is x2 positive 5, x3 equal 2. That's mean x2 equal 2 minus 5, x3. That's mean equal 2 minus 5, equal minus 3. Correct, sir? Yeah, who with me? Who with me? Is it correct? x2. Yeah. Now let's go to the, so it's here x2 is 5. Oh, can I repeat? No, I cannot repeat because no, minus 3, because I solved it before. Return to the recorded video. Now we have x1 positive 2, x2 positive 4, x3 equal minus 2. That's mean x1 equal minus 2, minus 2x2 minus 4x3. It is equal minus 2, minus we have here minus 3. So it is positive 6, minus with 3, it is minus 4. Minus 4 with minus 2, it's minus 6, here 0. Correct? Okay, now we solve it. That means we have one solution for this one. He asked me right answer as, yes, thank you so much, as a vector form. Vector form for what? See, I have here x1, x2, and I have x3. So this is x1. Now, last thing for today, write as vector form. So here I have here x1, x2, x3 plus equal. x1 here is x1 0, x2 0 0. x2 here, x1 is 0, x2 is minus 3, and 0 for x3. For x3 here is 0 0, then 1. Equal, the output will be here. Here it is. Do you have any output here? Yeah. So it's minus 2. Just gonna check here. Minus 2, 2, 5. That's. By the way, for this question, I will solve this question, and I upload to you in the UBIS. You can see the full answer for this question in the UBIS. That's for this question. Any question again for this one? Any question for this one? I guess it's easy. So as you see, if he asked me solve, I must to solve. If he asked me just to write, I have to write the formulas in this way. Our lecture easy today? Is it hard until now, our course? So again, as I told you before, focus on augmented matrix and how we can solve the augmented matrix. If there is a mistake, correct it. No problem for me. It's about calculation. You can correct it. But I need the idea again. Okay, if I have a mistake, so excuse me, correct it. But I need idea from this form. Who said I have mistake? I got it. Okay, thank you so much. So Muhammad, if there's a mistake, excuse me, solve and send by email. I will check. Okay. Here for x1, what do you have? 0, 0, 0. Okay. Again, I will try to solve this example in details and then upload to the UBIS later. That's for today. Short lecture, fast lecture, and I hope it will be easy for you. Any question else? Take care for yourself. Yeah. Have a nice day. Bye bye.